are going to discuss about printers. Printer. What is printer? Printer means an output device. We know we have seen so many printers. Daily we are taking printout of notes from the printer. Then what are the types of printers? Two types of printers are there. First one is impact printer and non-impact printers. Impact printers. We are studying impact printers. What is impact printer? Impact means hit. The head, always the printing head will, for printing, printer head will hit the print surface. Printer head impact means hit. That means impact. That is, printer head will hit on the printer surface. Second one is non-impact printer. Non-impact printer means the print header will not impact, will not hit to the print surface. These are two type of printers. Next one is impact printer. In that, first one is line printer. In this name also we know what is that. Line printer. One complete line will print one at a surface. Line printer are two types. First one is drum printer. Drum printer. What is drum printer? Drum printer means we will have one drum. In that, at a time, 90 to 100 characters will print. Drum printer. Where characters 100 characters or 90 characters per month will be displayed. Drum. In a drum. It is a drum. In this drum, 100 or 90 or 100 characters will print at a time. That is drum printer. Next is line printer. Second one is character printer. Character printer. Character printers. What is character printer? Character printer means one character will print at a time. That means in one sheet it will print one character at a time. One character at a time it will print. That is called a character printer. Character printer will print actually 30 to 300 characters per second. That is character printer. Next is non-impact printer. Non-impact. In this word we can understand what is non-impact. It will not impact, hit. The print head will not hit to the print surface. Non-impact. Non-hit. Print surface. Non-impact printer will not hit to the print surface. That is non-impact printer. Non-impact printer, first one is electromagnetic printer. Electromagnetic printer. Electromagnetic printer means, in this word we can understand electromagnetic. Some electromagnetic characters will pass will place in the print surface. By thermal method, the electromagnetic and magnetic characters will be created. Then thermal printer. Next second one is non-impact printer, thermal printer. Thermal printer means thermal printer. What is thermal? Thermal printer means, and that is one thermal heat methodology, some heat method, some characters are placing in the printed surface, that is called a thermal printer. Thermal printer. That is, next one is electrostatic printer. Electrostatic printer. Electrostatic printer means some electrical method, some electrical current, the electrical by using some electrical we are placing the character in the printed surface, that is electrostatic printer. Then last one is, it is a common printer, inkjet printer. Inkjet printer. Inkjet printer means some ink will spray to the printed surface. Here, these are non-impact printer. Non-impact printer means no hitting of head to the printed surface. Hitting of head to the printed surface. No hitting of head. Here, some ink will be sprayed to the electro, that is printed surface. Last one is laser printer. What is laser printer? Some laser method, the characters are created in the printed surface. Laser, we know what is laser. Some laser, the characters are created in the printed surface is called a laser printer. This is all about printers.